September is going to be a huge month for crypto, okay? And these are the most important dates that you need to know. But first, please like, subscribe, check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and you get to see what coins and how we are handling this bear market. And one of those coins has just doubled over just a couple months. All right, now we have September 13th. What do we have there? The CPI data. That is the Consumer Price Index data. Okay, so that pretty much says how much inflation is going up. That's the government figure, okay? Keep in mind, they don't include food or fuel in this inflation number. It's kind of like a fake number governments come out with to kind of skew the numbers because they know inflation is so bad. I think the number is going to go down because they're going to skew the number to go down. It's going to freak less people out, and it's probably going to give a little prop to the market. Okay, next, ETH merge, September 15th. That means Ethereum is going from proof of work to proof of stake. And why is this bullish? Because they are decreasing emission rates by 90%, okay? And also transaction fees are going to, 1/3 of transaction fees are being burned right now currently, and will continue doing that as well. Plus, nobody's going to be selling their stake, all right? So you can stake Ethereum. People are going to have to wait 6 to 12 months to unstake those coins. So there's no worry about people dumping on the market. I think it's going to be fine, and that's definitely bullish for Ethereum. Okay, so September 16th, you have Mt. Gox claims deadline. So what is that? 140,000 Bitcoin that are locked away that people are going to potentially get back in the future. Keep in mind, these are people that bought in the early days, so they're early investors, early adopters, and I don't think they're going to be selling much of those coins. They might sell some to retire or something, but I'm sure because they have an early adopter mindset, they understand how important Bitcoin is to the world. Okay, so September 21st, FOMC rate hike decision. I think the world is realizing that there's probably going to be a 25 to a 50 basis point rise, which is nothing, okay? Nothing at all. That's just putting lipstick on a pig. If they wanted to be serious about inflation, they would raise rates like Volcker did it back in the 80s to like 18%. They're not going to do that. They can't do that. They would never be able to service the debt. All of this is fake, and eventually it's going to go back down, okay? So next up, you have September 22nd, the Cardano or ADA's Vassal hard fork. I think that's going to come through. I think ADA is going to be fine. As you can see today, the price is rising just a little bit. I think that's in anticipation for it to be a successful hard fork. Anyways, that's what you need to be looking forward to this month. Please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.